Welcome to typing class with Pikachu. She's learning how to type. Look what happens. She loves playing with jewelry. Fun fact: Pikachu's actually not the real character. Not the Pokemon character, but
we thought it was a male bird.
Yeah.
And then it ended up being a female bird.
Because it laid an egg, but there was no baby egg inside. But there was no baby chick inside of it. Oh. She's scared of those. This video is featuring my mom. Let's give Pikachu the scritches. Oh, he's typing. She's typing. Ryan, see? Type. Can you type? Oh God, she's scared of those. And now I can't keep confusing Pikachu with a male. Play with those. Oh. Your seeds. Oh, E minus. The thing minus. Oh, the bird's typing.
She wants to eat your bracelet.
She wants to play with it. Yeah. Oh God, bird's typing. Bird loves typing, I think. Scritch. Let me scritch you. Oh God, she's scared of those. Ah! Oopsie daisy. Oh, little bird. Oh, Pikachu. Oh. Pikachu's mohawk thing kind of looks messed up. Oh, get that seed. Get that seed. Oh! She's playing with the. Oh! Pikachu keeps typing. Pikachu is typing with also eating. And now my mom's MacBook is typing thing keyboard is gonna smell like birdseed. Oh, 56. 7U7LL equals 560. Oh. Equals 560 equals JS. Not going to go too far inside that nose because the camera is too small to fit. It's too big to fit, and that will hurt him. I mean her. Dang it, why do I keep confusing?
Okay, say goodbye.
Boy! You're on Pikachu. Pikachu, you're on YouTube now. You're gonna be famous. You're gonna be famous!